Okay, so I've been drawing for a little while here and I've drawn all of the details. So you can see I've just gone around both sides there. There's a line there and they're all enclosed as possible. So there's no just lines sitting, not ending anywhere. And everything's kind of, this is connecting to here, connecting to there, creating a surface here. This is creating a surface in there. There's a surface there. There's a surface there. This surface here connects around. That's a big complicated one, but yeah, it goes around all the way around there. So it's all connected. And I just click the little green so it saves it. And then here I can kind of highlight a little bit better so you can see what I'm saying. If I go, oh, okay, it's not doing it. Anyway, so now that we've created the details, what we're going to do is we're going to go the outline and we'll extrude. This extrude button, we need to go in the opposite direction and we're going to go 4 millimeters. All right, so you can see that the drawing is here and it's going in that direction. So we don't want it to go there because then the the part is on top of our drawing and we can't take the details out. So we need to go in the opposite direction so it's underneath and then we could take the details out. So extrude, so it's solid, new, that outline, that creates our base. Now, then the second thing that we want to do is we want to extrude out the details. So we're going to extrude. Now we want to add, and in here it says merge scope. We want to add to this part. So we're adding to that initial to the base bit. All right, and then we're going to select which parts we want to extrude. So I'm just going to start off with this light sort of orange section. All right, so you can see it's kind of come out there. That's the light orange bit. All right, so everything that's that color, I'm going to extrude it. You got to kind of move the mouse around until it highlights what you want. All right, what else have I got? There's her other arm. All right, so we don't want it to be 25. We want it to be, I don't know, let's just say 0.5. All right, so it's just coming out. All right, so that bit is going to be 0.5. Is that all right? All the same color? Oh, actually, of course, I got these bits. That bit and that bit and that bit. So they're all 0.5. They're all coming out. All right, they've all sort of come out a little bit. So now I want to do the black bits. So wait a second. Once I've done the extrude, it's gonna hide the sketch. So we want to show the sketch again, and then we're going to do another extrude, and this is add, merge scope, the part, and then we're going to add the bits. So now we want to do the black bits. So we're going to go to that bit again. So the whole point here is that each sort of bit that we go in and out is at a different thickness from, so they're at a different thickness from the other color, so that when we print it, they will show at a different thickness. So that one was 0.5, this one we're going to make it 0.8. All right, so then all of the black is going to be 0.8. Damn it. All right, so this is kind of the tricky bit. getting it to only select the bits that you want it to select. All right, so those bits are black. Actually, we're going to do the whole the outside, so I don't know if it, hopefully I've done it right. Oh, there you go. It's gone red, so there's something gone wrong here. So there's something wrong with that line. I'm going to investigate. Anyway, so I can hide this. So it was this sort of surface here. It's got a hole in it somewhere. All right, it's not working. All right, so I'm going to hide this part. And this is, probably the most complicated bit. So here, it's closed, I'm just investigating, so that will, that goes to this bit here, connects all around there, connects to there, which goes up and around to there. That's okay. Connects down to here. Yeah, I mean, this is a complicated shape. All right, connects to there. Connects all around in there. Strange, anyway, it does that, goes through there. Alright, that all looks okay. This bit here looks this bit here looks weird, so I need to get rid of this bottom line. Doesn't like these two line things. So we've got to go into the detail sketch, use the trim tool, and I'm going to get rid of that bottom line. Alright, actually I'll get rid of that as well, because that's all part of it. Whoa. Okay, didn't like that. Control Z. So as I said before, when it has like constraints and things, it kind of messes things up. So it's a bit of playing around to get it to work. I might just leave it. All right. So now it's working anyway. You can see it's highlighting just the bits that I want to highlight. It was that overlap that was weird, so I might just have to click this bit separately, because if I delete that line, it falls apart. Anyway, so I've highlighted the bit that I want it to be black. I'm going to extrude it, and I was extruding it at 0.8, and it's going to add, and the merge scope is this part 1. Oh, okay. All right, it doesn't like it for some reason. All right, I can just make it new. It's not ideal, but if that's the only way that it's going to work, then we'll do that. All right, so basically what I've got to do is just keep getting the different bits and bringing them up to be different levels, and then eventually, so you can see I've got some of the detail, but I've got to get the rest of her nose and the eyebrows working and the little details there so that we can see the rest of her. I'll continue doing that, and I'll check in a bit, but yeah, different details. This is the most complicated part. Different bits, different colors at different heights, and then they should show up